What's up guys, I'm back with another video and today I am going to be letting one of my friends or someone I find in my chat to have the opportunity to go my account. So first, I've already done my emails, I've already done my blah blah blah, I've already done everything, yeah? So I could do it, so then if she ticks I'll just get ready. And yeah, and I'm just going to go find that friend and I hope I find a good one. Okay guys, I have picked the lucky winner and it's Cole. I think it's Cole. Hold or something. Cole123 nice. And yeah. And I've told her what she's gonna be doing. We had a little brief conversation. Yeah, we had a good conversation. And she's very excited to do it. So I'm just gonna tell her all my details and I'm just gonna see if she hacks me or if she doesn't hack me. When is she gonna hack? Not hack, just do it. She's still online. What's going on? Where is she gonna go on my account? I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna just wait 100 of years. OMG guys, she hacked me. Wait, no, I'm just gonna see for a few minutes if she will. She hacked me, no. Okay, so I'm just gonna wait for I think a few minutes to see what she does with my account. And yeah, I think, I hope she doesn't hack me. She seems friendly. But I'm just gonna wait a few more minutes and let's just see what she does. So guys, I've been waiting for I think 2 or 3 minutes, I don't know, and I've just been playing Roblox and stuff, but now I get to see what she has done to my account, and I hope she hasn't ruined it. If she has ruined it, and I hope she hasn't changed the password. Okay, let's just try. Oh, I remember, I changed my password for it. Did she change my password? Technically crossing my fingers right now. Yes! She hasn't! I'm so happy! Wow. This girl let me use her account for a video helpless. What has she done to me? I might go. Did she have messages? What has she done? Did she text anyone when I was gone? Yeah? Robin? She texts. No, why did she do that? I hope it's nothing bad. Let us still wait. Okay, no. All your crushes boys. Yeah? Okay, is that a problem to you? Oh no. If I hear your story, I don't have a problem with you people. Someone else count for a video. Girls, everyone who's watching this, I swear you have to subscribe to her, or you're not a Kawaii Club fan. Why do people assume I hate gay people? They technically like us, but they love someone else. Like, I don't know, you could be gay right now or something. I don't mind. Okay, now I finally get the time to give her a greet because she is so nice. Like seriously, she's so nice. And if you're watching this and you have 15 diamonds, you don't know what to waste on, you know who to waste on. And as I gave her a greet, I got 2 awards, yay! I hope they like the 5,000 fame and stuff because I really need money. Like, literally, this is me for fame. I need fame to level up. I've leveled up I think 2 times this week. I think 2 times. Yeah. Send 5 special greetings. Let's see how much diamonds I've spent. I've done a lot of shopping once. I never noticed I spent 150. I never imagined me spending that. I never imagined. I like, oh no, I'm never gonna do this. Oh, what's that all for? What's that L for? Buy the one, buy level 13! And I'm halfway level 13 away. Okay, which one of these are red? I think these are. I'm halfway through level 13 already. God help me. Ow, god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. She gave me a greet as well. I mean. Literally as well. So I've doubled up. I'm just gonna get this, because this looks pretty. Choose a reward. And I have 13 diamonds extra. So, guess what I'm gonna spend it on. Like, as am I. So don't be asking me for greets, okay? Until like in a few days, I'll start giving greets out. But whatever. I feel like Mama Leah. And if some of you are be wondering, I'm using her for like stuff. I'm actually not, because I'm actually repaying her. And if you guys need proof, I'll show you. I've sent her gifts. I sent her 2 weeks, I think. 2. Yeah, 2. And then I bought her wish list. I think I did. I'm positive I did, I think. I can't say I promise, but I'm positive I did. Given. Yeah, here. I gave her a wish list. She wanted it. It was on her wish list I got to her. Wait, now I actually should get her more stuff. Baby doll records. I want to announce for winners live, so I have to wait 24 hours. Woo! I'm excited for that. What? Let's go to wish list. No, cause look, Samba, she added me. No, she added me, okay? Remember that glitch thing I had? Yeah, she added me, okay? That thing that all hundreds of VIPs have been adding me. That glitch, yeah. And she added me. And then whenever she's online, I'm always like, because she always used to wear the nose pins, and I love the nose pins, rare stuff, and like, I love it so much. And I'm like, oh, I really want to buy her stuff. Oh, I really want to buy that outfit. I really want to buy that outfit. I always kept on looking at it, I'm like, oh my god, that looks so cute. Oh, that looks so cool and stuff. And then when she said she had a YouTube channel, quickly searched up, I'm like, she has a YouTube channel, so quickly read it, and I'm at Mama Lee MSP. And at first I couldn't find it, and then I noticed that she had one video, so she was a new version like me. But I've been uploading 2 times a day videos, but I'm mental in the head. But she did that. So that I was like, oh, she's gonna be famous and stuff. So I'm like, okay, let me just add her. But she already added me. And then that's how our friendship began. Oh, this looks cool. This video is gonna be the messed up video ever. Because I keep on telling stories. But guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Bye, see ya next video. And sorry if this video is messed up, because I know it's messed up. And yeah. So remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell to know when I'm uploading. And yeah, see ya. And yeah, BTW, subscribe to Mama Lee MSP.